Hello all my friends out there in Pizza Land, my name is Andrew Scudera. I am here at Goodfella's Brick Oven Pizza in Staten Island, New York, and the Pizza School in New York, where we've been open and operating for the past 14 years, teaching people that really want to break into the pizza industry how to do it the right way. We have two amazing programs designed for any type of student out there, which we have definitely had over the past 14 years. We have seasoned professionals that are in the restaurant business. We've had world famous chefs, and we've had people that were doctors, lawyers, and greener than green, all sharing the same passion to break into the industry. They can come in and we can mold our course around any type of concept that they are interested in doing. It's a live environment. We have a over 100-seat restaurant here at our new facility. We have a full bar. We offer takeout and delivery. And our students are interacting with the 60 staff members that we have here, as well as the hundreds of guests that come through our door. If you're a seasoned restaurant professional but don't know how to make pizza, the 4-day course is a perfect fit for you. For the people that are completely green and have never stepped foot in a commercial kitchen, our 6-day course is definitely the fit for you.
Scott Cosentino here, Pizza School of New York. I want to talk to you guys about our 6-day class. It's a one-on-one class. We're the only one-on-one class in the country. We're live in a restaurant, and I'm very passionate about this. Been in the industry for 30 years, built the first brick oven in New York, built ovens all over the world. Our students come in, they're green as the grass, and we teach them everything. Day one, we're teaching them how to make dough. All right, here's the fundamentals, here's the science behind it, here's our books. Andy gets them in the back. Whack, 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 200 dough balls. Let's make some sauce. Then we're live at our restaurant. We're live in our station here. This is a renowned restaurant. Day one, the confidence that we have in you and our training, you're making pizza here live and you are serving it to our guests, okay? So you're gonna be learning how to make bread, how to be making calzones, grandma pizza, New York style pizza, margaritas, cooking at high temperatures, cooking at medium temperatures. You're gonna learn all the basic fundamentals. Our students who come here, they rock. They're green and they become national champions, state champions, very, very successful. We've helped open up restaurants in almost every state in the country and all around the world. You come to the pizza school, you join our alumni, you become part of our crew, and we work with you one-on-one. We'll help you with your concept, we'll teach you about food costs and about the whole entire industry, equipment needs, anything you need, you become one of our crew. So give us a call today and we're gonna rock your pizza world.